seniors program is where we come to senior homes and we have Kindles that we got from a grant. And we basically list any books, movies, or TV shows that the seniors would like to see. We download it for them, and then we teach them how to access it on that Kindle.
And I just got into the program because my friend recommended it. I needed some community service, but coming here, I learned about patience.
That through the experience, I've actually learned how to just communicate with people better and get an understanding for a different generation other than mine. Honestly, I was really shy at first, and I didn't want to do it, but I just forced myself to do it, and I'm actually glad I did it. It was a good learning experience.
But I believe that the effort to reach that material just a day or two ago is a serious effort on their part.